Alright guys, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you my GAN Rubik's Cube. It's so new. It's new. So smooth. I just about to stay, show you the box. Just, wait for a moment. We just wait until you get my box. So I'll prove it to you. It's really GAN. It's no fake because here's the box. Let me see what's inside the box. Actually, I did not see what's inside the box. What's inside the box? It's a scan. Cool. Oh, what's this thing for actually? Oh, it's the thing that tells you. Oh, that's nothing. Oh no, how do you close this? So I'm just gonna leave it open like. Oh my god, it's a flare! So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Let me see, is there any other methods? Oh my god, dude, this thing is big, yo. I have to tell my dad about this. Tells you all the steps. Oh my god, dude, you don't even need YouTube for it. Do it again. Oh my god, just look at this. The whole big thing. So, so I don't know how you do the thing that this thing is epic. Dude, I'm good, give it to me. That's the right way. We'll say, okay, so I came out with my Rubik's Cube. This time, that was epic. I hope you enjoyed it. I still have my box here, my lovely box. I'm going to take everything out. Just very sure look at the box. If you, how to close this box? Like, how do you close it? The box. Code GAN. Well, I think you like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and peace.